What is OPay Cashback? OPay Cashback is the money that OPay gives you when you make transaction on the app. It's usually 3%, but sometimes it could be higher than that. Now, how can you be eligible for that? Very simple. All you need to do is to make transactions, pay bills, buy credit, and you'll be eligible to get cashback. Let me show you how you can spend your cashback. Let's say you want to buy data. Click on that and click on the amount that you want to buy. So let's go for 500 naira. So you see right here it says cashback 787. You're gonna turn it on so that it won't charge you from the money you have in your OPay. It's going to take it from the cashback that they are giving you. So turn this on. Once you turn it on, then you now confirm it. Then you click on confirm again. So wait for it to process. And that's it. You can see it says successful. So I have bought 100 naira worth of data, but I still need to finish up the process. So I'm just gonna wait a bit. Okay, so a message is coming in, and yep. So that's the message I was waiting for. So it's saying right here, yes, auto renew. I don't want it to auto renew. So I'm going to click no, one-off purchase. So I don't want automatically it to just renew the data. So I'm going to press 2. After pressing 2, I'm going to click on send right here. And that is it. So click on send and that's it. So the message has been sent. Okay, it says unknown application. Click OK. Then click on done right here on the top right hand side. So you can see activation of 100 MB daily. So that's the message. Another confirmation message, activation of 100 MB daily plan was successful and expires on 22/03/2023. So that's it, guys. Then I'm gonna click on OK. Okay, so that's done. Then come up here and click on done right now. So once you click on done, it takes you back. You can see we're back to mobile data. Then click back. So that's how I can buy data. So now let's buy airtime with our cashback. So come up here to the left hand side and click that. So now we want to buy 50 naira. And if you notice, you can see the cashback. You can buy for any network you want by clicking here. You can see all the networks are here. So I'm using MTN. So let's click 15 naira. Then choose cashback. If you notice, the cashback has reduced. It's now 687. Then confirm. So I confirming it is processing and successful. You can see account recharge 15 naira was successful. So that's how, guys, you can buy credit or data with your cashback. Thanks for watching. Check out this video right here.